Hello, good day. I am Cielo Llena, and for our nursing informatics, we're going to talk about Lo1 Operate computing device and application for productivity. So let's get started. In our nursing informatics, that is telecommunication devices. It defines as it includes a wide range of communication technologies from transmission lines and communication satellites to radios and answering machines. Example of telecommunication equipment include switches, telecom towers, fiber optic cables, routers, voice over internet protocol, and smartphones. And here we can see in our little photo our router, our satellites, and our laptop, and etc. And next, let's talk about our emails and how it's using it. So first, I'm going to put a name for someone I will send it to, a subject, a body. So here in send, there's a little arrow down. So here we can see a scheduled date. If send it for tomorrow, this afternoon, Monday morning, or I can pick my date and time specifically. And also for confidentiality, there is a set of expiration. Here there is a time. It can be a month, a 3 month, or in a years. It can also be no SMS pause code, or it can also be hand and password. For next, let's talk about our multimedia presentations. So for our multimedia presentation, it defines a multimedia presentation is a standalone presentation that includes information presented in slides, videos, and digital representation, and includes sounds which might be narrative, music, or sound effects. Where we can edit this is in our PowerPoint presentation, our keynote, or color presentation. Also in some website, I can also include this Canva for us for editing in presentation, social media, video, products, and many more such as images and audio. And next, let's talk about our word processor. So here you can see that I made a different page orientation. So how am I supposed to do that? So here I'm going to put in the very last page, the bottom page. So there, it cannot be seen because of my picture, but here let's click the breaks, the next page, and in the next page here we can already put it on a landscape. So let's just click the next page in our section break. And next we're going to do our typing test in our typingtest.com. So while waiting, is here in our PowerPoint presentation, I have a pre-made car. So I want to teach you guys the animation and how am I supposed to move this car. So I'm going to copy this and then the custom path. So let's put it here and drive it off to here. So that's how the car goes. Next is this demerit sign. And I can edit this in duration and how fast it will goes, the delay, and when will it start to click. So going back, and there, as you can see, I'm really not that much good in typing. And next, let's talk about our Excel. So here in Excel, I have my pre-made numbers. And let's remove this. And also this one. So these numbers, I can also, then computing it on a calculator, it's easy for me to go in formulas and auto sum. So that is the sum of all the numbers put it in here. Also for this one, we can put our auto sum. And also, there's also other ways in here such as average, count numbers, max, or mean, or more function. But for auto sum, for a little bit of basic, in here are the total. And that is the total of overall. So, I hope you learned something from my video for today. So, thank you and see you on next